What if I told you that rocks from other star systems have already visited us? That stars can disappear without exploding, and that one day the entire universe will slowly fade from view. A strange universe. We live in a universe that does not behave the way our brain expects. It is filled with objects so large, so hot, so cold, and so powerful that they stretch the limits of human imagination. From galaxies larger than billions of stars to explosions that can erase our solar systems to regions of space where time itself stops making sense. And the more we study the universe, the more we realize how little we truly understand. The visitor from another star system. In 2017, astronomers using the Pine Stars telescope in Hawaii, supported by NASA, detected something unusual. An object was moving through our solar system, but it did not belong here. This object was later named Oumuamua, which means a messenger from afar in Hawaiian. What made it strange? It comes from outside our solar system. It had a long stretched shape. It was tumbling through space. It showed no clear sign of being a comet or asteroid. According to studies published in Nature Astronomy, Oumuamua did not behave like anything scientists had ever seen before. Was it natural? Most researchers believe yes, but its exact origin remains unknown. And that alone reminds us the galaxy is full of visitors we may never fully understand. The monster at the center of our galaxy, at the heart of the Milky Way, lies something invisible but incredibly powerful. A supermassive black hole called Sagittarius A star. Confirmed by observations from the Event Horizon Telescope collaboration, this black hole has a mass 4 million times greater than our Sun. Gravity so strong that light cannot escape. Anything that crosses its boundary disappears forever from the observable universe. Inside a black hole, time breaks down, space loses meaning, matter is crushed to extreme density. Scientists call this point the singularity, a place where current physics no longer works. The biggest black hole we know, as massive as Sagittarius A star is. It is small compared to Ton 618. According to quasar studies, Ton 618 is about 66 billion solar masses. It is one of the most massive black holes ever discovered. Located billions of light years away, black holes like this show that there may be no real upper limit to how large these objects can grow. Our galaxy is moving and colliding. Our galaxy is not standing still. Astronomers using Hubble Space Telescope data have confirmed that the Andromeda galaxy is moving towards us. A merger will happen in 4 to 5 billion years. This won't be a violent crash of stars. Space is mostly empty. But the night sky will completely change. The great attractor, something we can't see. Our galaxy is also being pulled toward something mysterious. Scientists call it the Great Attractor. It lies behind the dense center of the Milky Way in a region called the Zone of Avoidance, where dust blocks our view. Research suggests it may be linked to the Shapley supercluster, a massive concentration of galaxies. Gravity on this scale shapes the movement of entire galaxy groups. The Great Nothing Cosmic Void. While some regions are packed with galaxies, others are almost empty. The Boots Void, studied through redshift surveys, contains only about 60 galaxies in a space where thousands should exist. These voids likely formed due to teeny density differences after the Big Bang, as supported by cosmological simulation. The universe is not evenly spread. It has a structure like a cosmic wave. The star that vanished in 2009, astronomers observed a massive star in a distant galaxy. It was getting brighter. Sign pointed toward a coming supernova. But then the star disappeared. No explosion, no visible debris. Studies suggest it may have collapsed directly into a black hole or failed to explode completely. This challenges traditional models of stellar death. Betelgeuse, the future superstar. Betelgeuse, a red supergiant studied by NASA and ESO, it's nearly the end of its life. When it explodes, it will shine as bright as the full moon, visible even in the daylight. But soon in the space could still mean 1 lakh years, and it poses no danger to Earth. Methane rain on Titan. Saturn's moon Titan, studied by Cassini-Huygens mission, is one of the strangest places we know. Titan has a thick atmosphere, rivers, lakes, and rain, but not of water. At temperature near minus 180 degrees Celsius, methane becomes liquid. Titan is the only known world besides Earth with a stable liquid cycle on its surface. Lava rain on a hot planet. Now imagine the opposite. An exoplanet called Kepler 10b, discovered by NASA's Kepler mission, orbit extremely close to its star. Surface temperature exceed 1300 degrees Celsius. At this heat, rock can melt, vaporize, and possibly rain back down as molten lava. A rocky planet with a rock rain cycle. The age of what we can see. The universe may be infinite, but the observable universe is not. Due to cosmic expansion, light beyond 46 billion light years will never reach us. According to research on dark energy, space itself is expanding, and that expansion is accelerating. Over time, galaxies will disappear from view. The night sky will grow darker. In the far future, only our local stars will remain visible. So, final thought and the deep time. The strangest thing in the universe might not be black holes or alien rocks. It might be time itself. The universe will continue long after Earth is gone, the sun has died, humanity becomes a memory, and still space will expand. The universe is not designed to be comfortable, it is vast, mysterious, and deeply humbling. And every new discovery reminds us of one thing: we are only at the very beginning of understanding reality.